Hi, I'm Rose, and today we're making an Italian cream cake, thanks to my friend Maria, who was kind enough to share her recipe with us. For your cake mix ingredients, you'll need flour, sugar, butter, CRISCO, 5 eggs, baking soda, buttermilk, and a bag of Angel coconut flakes. For your frosting, you'll need 2 packages of cream cheese, vanilla, 1.5 sticks of butter, a bag of white powdered sugar, and some nuts. We'll start by adding 2 cups of regular sugar into a mixing bowl, 1 stick of softened margarine, half cup of CRISCO vegetable oil. You will be adding 5 egg yolks into your bowl, so you will need to separate your egg whites and put them in a separate bowl, and then just add your 5 egg yolks into your mixing bowl. Add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup of buttermilk. The recipe calls for 1 bag of coconut flakes, but I went ahead and reserved 1/4 of it so that I could add it to the outside. Go ahead and start mixing what you have in your bowl. In the meantime, start whisking your egg whites, then pour into your mixing bowl. It says to then fold, but I went ahead and mixed it with my mixer and it worked just fine. Now you want to grease 2 9-inch pans. Pour your batter into your pans, then bake at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Now for your frosting, you want to add 2 packages of cream cheese into a mixing bowl, 1.5 sticks of softened butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla. The recipe calls for 1 bag of white powdered sugar. I had a 32-ounce bag and didn't use it completely. I went ahead and left about 1/4 of it out. You want to go ahead and pour it in there and then just start mixing from slow to high. Once your cake is nice and cool, start frosting your first layer. Then place your second layer on top. You want to frost that and finish it off with some chopped nuts, and you can also top it off with some coconut. If you notice, I had a lot of frosting left, so you can easily make another cake. And here you have it, voila! Thank you so much, Maria, for sharing your recipe with all of us. Enjoy!